Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Asif Sikandar and today we are going to learn how we are going to transfer our funds, coins or cryptocurrency from Binance wallet to Trust wallet. The procedure is very simple but you need to be very careful in. So just open your Binance app and at the bottom right corner you can see wallet button. Just tap it, and when you tap it you just need to go to the spot wallet here. Yeah, we just need to go to the spot wallet. When you open spot wallet you can see the coins which are in your Binance wallet. So in our case we are going to transfer USDT. So here we have around 15 USDT available, which we will transfer today to our Trust wallet. So you just need to tap this USDT, and at the bottom you can see this withdraw button. Just click this withdraw button, and when you click it, it will ask you whether you want to send it via crypto network or phone ID or email. So you just need to send through crypto network. We click the crypto network and then it will ask you three things: address, network and amount. So two things we will take from Trust wallet, and the third thing, amount, is what we have here in our Binance wallet. So from here we will just go to our Trust wallet and I will show you how we will take these details from Trust wallet. So here we are in our Trust wallet. If you cannot see the coin which you are transferring from Binance to Trust you in this list, then the procedure is very simple. You first need to add that coin in your Trust wallet. For that you just need to click this icon, and when you click it, it will take you to a search bar. The search bar will open. You just need to type here USDT. Now you need to be very careful here, because you will find different types of USDT here. Different types means USDT of different blockchains. So in our case, as you can see, we are having 4 to 5 types of different USDTs. The first one is BEP2 USDT. The second one is ERC20, which is Ethereum. The third is TRC20, which is Tron. Then SPL, and at the end we have BEP20. These are different types of USDT. So in our case, we are going to transfer USDT from BEP2 network or blockchain. So in order to add it, you just need to tap the button on the right, this button. You just need to click it. When you click it, it will be added in your Trust wallet list here. Yeah, so here you can see it added this USDT BEP2, and the amount you are seeing is 0 because we do not have this coin in our Trust wallet. So in order to add this coin in our Trust wallet, just tap it, and here you can see this receive button. Just click this receive button. Now it's showing you the address of this coin. You just need to copy this coin and just click this button. It will copy the address here. Yeah, it copied the address, and when you copy the address you just need to go to your Binance wallet and paste this address in address bar. Very simple. Here you can see when we pasted this address, it selected its Binance chain BEP2 network automatically, because the coin is of BEP2 network. Now it's asking for memo. I will take you back to the Trust wallet screen. Here you can see it's saying no memo required. So we do not need this memo for this specific transaction. It's not for all types of transactions. So we will ignore this option, and then we will select the amount of USDT we are going to transfer in our Trust wallet. So as we have 15 USDT, now it's saying that we will receive 14 USDT in our Trust wallet, and 1 USDT is the fee. It's very simple. You just need to click withdraw button. When you click this withdraw button, it will ask for memo again. So as it's saying you did not fill in memo, please confirm that recipients do not need to fill in memo digital ID or mark. So as I said before, I'm going to take you back to the trust wallet. It's saying no memo required, so we do not need memo in this transaction. Just submit it and it will take you to the detail page. And now it's saying you are going to transfer 14 USDT to this address through this blockchain. The coin name is USDT, amount is 15, and network fee is 1 USDT. You need to read all of these details and then confirm it. When you confirm it, it will ask for verification. I have activated all three verifications on my phone number, on my email, and through Google Authenticator. So you just need to put these codes one by one in these fields, and when you put all of them, just submit it here. When we submit it, it will here. Now it's saying request submitted, so it's showing all the detail of our transaction, and it will take some time. Now I will take you to my trust wallet here, and I will refresh it after some time. When we refresh it, here you go. Yeah, Alhamdulillah, we have received our 14 USDT in our trust wallet, and now the network of these USDT are BEP20. So here you can see in our trust wallet list that we have received 14 USDT of BEP2 network. So this procedure is very simple, but you need to be very careful in two things: network and the address. If network or the address is not correct, you won't receive any coins ever. So you need to be very careful in this procedure, in this transaction. And the procedure is same for any kind of coins. It's not only for USDT. If you want to transfer Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any coin, the procedure is same. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, just like it, share it with your friends, and if you want to ask any question, just ask me in comment section. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.